You disrespect us on our own country. You say that we are late.
So I told you that you know. You told me how my face is report. I'm going to go to Mandela. Hey, Baba, you know, Baba Mandela will open in there and put him in and told it because in beginning of coming to the I told him from 1991
sizofaka nale bag phela maka nesikhathi sokudlala
So this is a sad, unfortunate incident which is happening here in South Africa, and this is a clear message that Zimbabweans are no longer wanted in South Africa. And let us not forget that at a certain point here in Zimbabwe, we had Vanuataiti Makarushu who were from Mozambique. These were Mozambicans. And at a certain point in time, Takawaswika Pao time ekuti, we were advocating for them to go back to Mozambique. It happened here in Zimbabwe. I was young, but I remember people vividly asking those Mozambicans to pack and go back to Mozambique. It is happening in South Africa, and I believe that this is an advantage. If we are to have each and every Zimbabwean living in South Africa coming back to Zimbabwe to vote, we are going to remove ZANU-PF. So we cannot rely on South African economy. Let us come back to vote here in Zimbabwe and make sure that we remove ZANU-PF. There is one advice from Julius Malema. Julius Malema says, come to South Africa as much as you want, but when it comes to voting, go back and vote into your own country. But our countrymen are not willing, are not ready to come and register to vote, are not willing to come and vote. The majority of them, they are not politically conscious, and they don't even care about coming back to Zimbabwe. I've been talking to other to some people, my relatives there in South Africa. They don't care. They care about their lives. They always complain about their lives. They always complain about the situation getting tough. But when you tell them, guys, come back and let us register to vote, let us vote together, they will tell you, Mara, hey, that is something else. So you will see that that is the problem we have. And let us make sure that we come back to Zimbabwe, register to vote and vote.